Hey there, Save and Thrive family. It's your girl, Tony, and let's be real. Planning a wedding can feel like trying to solve a math problem while riding a roller coaster, blindfolded. Am I right? But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. We're going to break down how to have an amazing wedding without breaking the bank. Get ready for some seriously hilarious and super affordable wedding planning tips that'll have you saying I do to saving money. Let's dive right in. Okay guys, picture this. It's 2 months before my wedding, and I'm knee-deep in seating charts, floral arrangements, and a guest list longer than my arm. I'm talking stress levels that would make a cat meme proud. I swear, I almost ordered a pizza and told everyone it was canceled. But then, I took a deep breath, channeled my inner budgeting queen, and realized something super important. You don't need $1 million to have $1 million wedding. First things first, let's talk decorations. When it comes to planning a wedding, the decorations set the tone for the entire event. They create the ambiance, the mood, and the overall vibe that your guests will experience from the moment they walk in. But here's the thing. You don't need to break the bank to make your wedding look like $1 million. You know those fancy centerpieces that cost more than your rent? The ones that look like they belong in a royal palace? Yeah, those are stunning, but let's be real. They're not exactly budget-friendly. And honestly, who wants to spend a fortune on something that's going to be on the table for just a few hours? Yeah, we're not doing that. Get ready to unleash your inner crafting ninja because DIY is where it's at. Imagine the satisfaction of looking around your wedding venue and knowing that you had a hand in creating every beautiful detail. Plus, DIY projects can be a fun way to bond with your partner, friends, and family as you prepare for the big day. Think mason jars, fairy lights, and more glitter than a unicorn rave. These simple yet charming elements can add a magical touch to your wedding without costing a fortune. Mason jars can be used as vases, candle holders, or even as part of your table centerpieces. Fairy lights can create a whimsical atmosphere, and glitter, well, glitter just makes everything better. Trust me, with a little creativity, and maybe a few YouTube tutorials, you can transform your wedding venue into a Pinterest-worthy masterpiece without selling your car to afford it. There are countless resources online that can guide you through the process of making your own decorations. From step-by-step tutorials to inspirational blogs, the internet is your best friend when it comes to DIY wedding planning. And the best part? You can totally rock this. Not only will you save money, but you'll also create a wedding that is uniquely yours. Every decoration will have a story, a memory, and a piece of your heart in it. So roll up your sleeves, gather your supplies, and get ready to craft the wedding of your dreams. Your guests will be amazed, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you did it all yourself. Happy crafting. Now let's talk venues. Who says you need a castle to say I do? Think outside the traditional ballroom, people. Public parks, art galleries, even your own backyard can make for stunning and unique wedding locations. I mean, imagine getting married under the stars, surrounded by nature, with a gentle breeze carrying the sweet scent of savings. Plus, think of all the money you'll save on fancy lighting when you have the moon and stars as your backdrop. Mic drop. Let's be real, the food is the best part of any party, right? But wedding catering can be scary expensive. Hold up before you start planning a menu consisting solely of ramen noodles. Hear me out. Food trucks, family-style meals, and even a well-executed potluck can be amazing options. Imagine your guests raving about your grandma's famous lasagna or that awesome taco truck you discovered. It's all about being creative and thinking outside the traditional and expensive catering box. Okay, ladies, now for the main event, the wedding dress. This is the moment you've been dreaming about since you were a little girl. The dress that will make you feel like a princess on your special day. But let's be real, not everyone has a royal budget. So, how do you find that perfect dress without breaking the bank? Don't get me wrong, those designer gowns are gorgeous. But they can also cost more than a down payment on a house. It's easy to get swept up in the allure of high-end boutiques and the latest trends. But remember, the price tag doesn't define your beauty or the magic of your wedding day. No need to freak out, though. Remember that little thing called the internet? It's a treasure trove of options that can help you find a stunning dress without the hefty price tag. From online boutiques to secondhand marketplaces, the digital world is your oyster. Online boutiques and sample sales are your new best friends. Many designers and stores offer significant discounts on last season's styles or sample dresses that have only been tried on a few times. You can score a designer dress at a fraction of the original price if you know where to look. And don't even get me started on the magic of thrifting. Thrift stores and consignment shops can be gold mines for unique and affordable wedding dresses. Imagine finding a beautiful vintage gown with intricate lace details or a pre-loved designer dress that fits you like a glove. You can find some seriously amazing vintage or pre-loved dresses for a fraction of the price. Plus, there's something special about giving a dress a second life and adding your own story to its history. It's sustainable, stylish, and budget-friendly. Just imagine, you'll be walking down the aisle looking like $1,000,000 but feeling like a boss who just saved a ton of cash. Your wedding day is about celebrating love and joy, not stressing over finances. So embrace these savvy shopping tips and find a dress that makes you feel fabulous without the financial strain. Happy dress hunting. And there you have it, folks. Planning a wedding can seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it can be a joyful and memorable experience. Affordable wedding planning tips that will save you money and maybe even your sanity. Start by setting a realistic budget. This is the foundation of your planning process. Knowing how much you can spend will help you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary stress. Remember, your wedding is about celebrating your love story, not about how much you spend. Focus on what truly matters to you as a couple. Is it the venue, the food, the music, or perhaps the photography? Prioritize these elements and allocate your budget accordingly. Not about going broke trying to impress your third cousin twice removed. It's easy to get caught up in the desire to please everyone. But remember, this day is about you and your partner. Keep your guest list intimate and filled with people who genuinely support and love you. So go out there, plan that dream wedding on a budget, and don't be afraid to get creative. DIY projects can add a personal touch and save you a lot of money. From handmade invitations to custom decorations, the possibilities are endless. Plus, these projects can be a fun way to bond with your partner and loved ones. And get ready to dance the night away knowing you totally crushed it. Your wedding day should be a reflection of your unique love story. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and don't sweat the small stuff. At the end of the day, it's the love and joy that will be remembered, not the price tag. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more tips and tricks to help you navigate the wedding planning process. From budget hacks to creative ideas, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to provide valuable content. And hit that notification bell for more tips on how to save and thrive. See you next time. Until then, happy planning and remember, you got this.